Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel experiment clinic with Florence Straka. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a very simple ingredient smoothies. It's going to be banana, mango, peach and milk that we are going to be mixing together to see how this smoothie is going to come out. And so stay tight as I turn around and make this smoothie for you. I will see you right away. Alright, so I have some fresh mango earlier that I take the skin off and use some of it already. So I am going to be using the remaining of my mango. This is a half mango and a peach. This is the peach and this is going to be and then banana that we're going to be adding with the milk. So I am going to cut this, take the seed of this, and I'm going to put that in the, careful with your knife. Okay, and the banana, the mango is very ripe, so you can see how it's just falling off, and that's how I like it because that way you can get all the juice. And I'm just going to cut it all. This is really a good source of vitamins that you need. I remember when I was home, we had mango season that we go to the bush and look for mangoes early in the morning, like 5 o'clock. We all get up, take our big pan on our head, we go and look for mangoes because that is the season, and we can just, one person can sit down with like 10 mangoes in salted water and just devour it. We just eat them, eat, and it is really good. Too much of it can make you go to the bathroom, but when you eat it at moderation, it's good. It's really good for you. So I have that out and I'm going to just drop that in. See how soft that is. Okay, now that this is done, I am going to just take the banana, take out the skin of the banana. This is ripened, but not so ripe like I always like it. But this is also good because you can see how the skin looks like and everything. You can see that. But I'm going to try and get all the strings out of here. When it's riper than this, you see it makes the taste, you get everything out. The taste is sweetened. It's more sweeter than if you're not that well ripened. And this is not that very ripened, but it's almost as good to use. So once that is done, now I am going to use 1 glass of milk. That's what we'll be using. Should be enough. And I'm just gonna pour this in here. And as always, you can add probably a little drop of vanilla extract like this because of the milk, just to give it just that little just a little flavor to it. So I am just going to pour just a little bit, just like a drop like that. I'm gonna drop that in and we're gonna see how this comes out. All right, all that is set. I'm gonna put this on here. And I am going to cover this. Okay, now I am going to start blending this. Oh my goodness, it is so thick. This off. And we're gonna be pouring this in here. Oh my goodness, look at how thick and smoothie this looks like. Oh my. And you can add an ice to this as you blend it, and that would even make it a little bit lighter instead of this thick. So ice is an optional for you if that's what you want to use. Oh my, I love this. Look at this. It's so creamy and nice. And now I'm going to do the tasting and see how it comes out. Alright, so I just finished with the smoothie and I am going to make the tasting to see how this comes out. This has like an ice cream taste because of the vanilla drop that we put in, the little drop of like a teaspoon of vanilla we drop in before mixing the mango, the peach, the banana with the milk together. It gives us that ice cream taste and very smoothie. It's thick but very smooth. And this is lovely. I love the texture. I love everything about this. And try this. You can add anything else you want, but I just want to see how this will comes out. This is the first time I made this like this, with the milk and the mango, the peach with the banana, and then the teaspoon of the vanilla, and it makes it so outstanding. I hope you can try this and just leave a comment for me if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel and share, comment, and also if you have any questions, leave it in the section below and I will get back to you. And I want to hear from you. How did your taste comes out when you tried? Let me know in the comment section below, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified on my next video whenever I put out a new experiment juice or smoothie like this. So I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and keep smoothing. Take care. Bye bye.